Danger. It's a confined space. Air supplied, respirator required. Lockout, tagout procedures must be in place before entry is made. Valid permit to work required before entry. Caution, it's a confined space, authorized and trained personnel only. These type of different caution and danger signs you are finding and observing on your worksite. So today we'll try to understand what is a confined space and what are the examples of a confined space. So let's get started. For a work area to be defined as a confined space, it must have three characteristics. Number one, limited openings for entry and exit. Number two, the space is not intended for continuous human occupancy. And number three, the space is large enough for you to enter and conduct work. If a space have all three characteristics, it means it's a confined space. But if anyone is missing, it means it is not a confined space. A very basic and most common question. Give us 10 examples of confined space. Those are related to your work site. Tanks, silos, storage bins, hoppers, pits, ducts, pipelines, pumping stations, barges, steam condensers, manholes, trenches, tunnels, sewer lines, shafts, process vessels, boilers, septic tanks are an excavation deeper than 1.2 meter. These all are the different examples of a confined space. I hope you can easily differentiate what is a confined space and what type of confined spaces are at your work site.